Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to present a topic on divisions of skeleton. The skeleton can be divided into two main divisions: axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Okay, axial skeleton in the sense it is the central core of the body. It mainly consists of 80 bones that forms the axis of the body. It mainly includes skull, vertebral column and rib cage. Okay, skull in the sense the skull consists of 22 bones that will form the overall framework of the face, and it will provide protection to the brain. Okay, the next thing is vertebral column. Vertebral column consists of 33 vertebrae that provide support for the body, and it also protects the spinal cord. Okay, the next thing is rib cage. Rib cage consists of 12 pairs of rib that will protect the heart and lungs. Okay, this is a diagrammatic representation of axial skeleton. Okay, the overall 80 bones, isn't it? Here, first thing is skull. Skull consists of cranium and face. Cranium has 8 bones, face has 14 bones. Then skull and associated bones 29. Then auditory ossicles are having 6 bones, hyoid bone 1. Then sternum bone 1, ribs 24, vertebrae 24, sacrum 1, and coccyx 1. Okay, overall there are 80 bones are there in axial skeleton. Then in appendicular skeleton, example femur, patella, then tibia, fibula, tarsus, phalanges. Okay, these are some examples for appendicular skeleton. Okay, this appendicular skeleton contains 126 bones that forms the limbs and girders. It includes the bones of the arms, legs, shoulders and hips. Okay, upper limb mainly consists of bones of arms, forearms, wrist and hands. Lower limb consists of bones of legs, ankles and feet. Shoulder girdle consists of a clavicle and scapular bones that will attach the arm to the trunk of the body. And then pelvic girdle consists of hip bones that anchor the lower limbs to the trunk of the body. Okay, the next concept is types of the joints and function. Okay, joints are also called as articulations. Okay, joint in the sense the area where two or more bones meet. This joint will allow the body to move in variety of directions, and it will also maintain the structural stability. Okay, there are 3 types of joints: fibrous joint, cartilaginous joint, synovial joints. Okay, first thing is fibrous joint. Fibrous joint also called as synarthrosis joints. Okay, here the joints are held together by the connective tissue. Okay, examples of fibrous joint include sutures between the bones of the skull. Then next thing is cartilaginous joint. It is also known as amphiarthrosis joint. It is held together by the cartilage. Okay, it will allow the very small amount of movement. Okay, and it more stable than a synovial joint. Okay, examples: intervertebral discs of spine and pubic symphysis in the pelvis region. Okay, these are the types of joints: ball and socket joint, ellipsoidal joint, then plane joint, hinge joint, saddle joint, fibrous joint, pivot joint. Then next type is synovial joint. It is also known as diarthrosis joint. It provides higher mobility and complex. Okay, these synovial joints are characterized by the presence of joint cavity which is surrounded by an articular capsule. Okay, ends of the bones are covered with articular cartilage and the joint cavity is filled with synovial fluid. Okay, this synovial fluid allows the wide variety of movements. Okay, this is categorized into 6 types based on their structure and range of motion. Okay, here first one is pivot joint. Okay, allow for rotation only. Okay, this is located between the ulnar bones in the forearm and the atlas and axis vertebrae of the neck. Okay, then hinge joint. It will allow movement in only one plane, whether it can be a flexion or extension. Okay, examples: elbow, knee and finger joints. Okay, the next thing is ball and socket joint, which allow movement in multiple planes. Okay, examples: hip and shoulder joints. Then saddle joint, it will allow the movement in 2 planes. Okay, example for this joint at the base of the thumb. Then condyloid or ellipsoidal joint, it will allow the movement in 2 planes. Example, the joints at the wrist between the radius and carpals. Then next thing is gliding joint, allows sliding or twisting movement. Examples, carpal bones in the wrist and tarsal bones in the ankle. Okay, these are all the major types of joints. Okay, this joints serves as an important role in allowing movement and maintaining the structural stability of a skeletal system. Okay, thank you all.